This is gonna be complicated, but I'm gonna get it done either way. This is so satisfying. Harvey. It's the only downfall about having a vehicle that's taller than you are is getting all of the snow off the very top of it. This is just December in Indiana is what it is. Look at this. I'm buried. Oh my God. Definitely ice forming around my tire because of the strain. Ice up there too. Whatever. Forceful. There we go. That'll do better. Anyway. Right. So close. Ah! I went under the drain.
Mountains always felt so pretty, and no one was sending postcards from the city. I've been walking downtown every day. Spiders are always trying to fit